Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of video editing. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular video editing apps, Kinemaster and CapCut. Many of you have asked which app is better for your editing needs, so we're here to provide an in-depth analysis. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Overview and Interface. Both Kinemaster and CapCut are powerful mobile video editing apps that offer a wide range of features. Starting with the interface, Kinemaster provides a clean and intuitive design, making it easy for users to navigate through its various tools. On the other hand, CapCut offers a sleek and modern interface that's equally user-friendly. Number 2. Features and functionality. When it comes to features, both Kinemaster and CapCut offer a variety of options to enhance your videos. Kinemaster boasts a rich library of transitions, effects, and overlays, allowing you to add professional touches to your edits. Additionally, it provides multi-layer editing, audio mixing, chroma key, and voiceover capabilities, making it suitable for more complex projects. CapCut, on the other hand, stands out with its user-friendly timeline-based editing system. It offers a vast collection of trendy effects, filters, and stickers, perfect for social media content creators. CapCut also provides keyframe animations, text animations, and precise video speed control, enabling you to create captivating videos effortlessly. Number 3. Exporting and sharing. When it comes to exporting your finished projects, both Kinemaster and CapCut offer various resolution and format options. Kinemaster allows you to export videos in high quality up to 4K resolution, which is great for professional use. CapCut also offers high-quality exports, but the maximum resolution might be limited depending on your device specifications. In terms of sharing capabilities, both apps make it easy to share your creations directly to social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Kinemaster also allows you to export and save your projects to your device's local storage or cloud storage services for later use. Number 4. Pricing and availability. Now, let's talk about the pricing and availability of both apps. Kinemaster offers both a free version and a subscription-based model, which unlocks additional features like removing watermarks, accessing premium assets, and more. The subscription plans vary based on the platform you're using, and they typically range from monthly to annual payments. On the other hand, CapCut is entirely free to use, which is a significant advantage for users on a budget. It provides all its features without any subscription fees or watermarks, making it an attractive option for beginners or casual video editors. Number 5. Conclusion. So, after comparing Kinemaster and CapCut, which one should you choose? Well, it depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're a professional or require advanced editing capabilities, Kinemaster might be the better option with its extensive feature set and high-quality exports. However, if you're a beginner or prefer simplicity, CapCut offers an impressive range of effects, animations, and an intuitive interface, all for free. Ultimately, we recommend trying out both apps to see which one aligns better with your editing style and requirements. Remember, the best video editing app is the one that helps you bring your creative vision to life. That's it for today's video. We hope this comparison between Kinemaster and CapCut was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, happy editing!